Hey, do you believe life is beautiful? And if you believe so, it's an amazing feeling. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. Set peace of mind as your highest goal and organize your life around it. Life is short. Cut out negativity. Forget gossip. Say goodbye to people who hurt you. Spend your days with people who are always there. Lit a lamp not to remove darkness, but to remove the evil in you. Sometimes it's better to be alone. Nobody can hurt you. The purpose of life is to be happy. Ignore negative people. They feed on your reaction. And if they see you being affected by what they do, they will keep doing it. Time is non-refundable. Use it with intention. Deal with your problems before they deal with your happiness. Don't let bitter, unhappy people drag you down to their level. Instead, use their behavior as an example of how not to behave and be grateful you're nothing like them. It is said, being happy never goes out of style. Let the haters hate. Some people will bring you down when they see you changing, evolving and becoming better. It is because somehow they make themselves feel better because they lack the willpower to consistently do what you're doing. Ignore them. Surround yourself with positive souls and positive vibes comes naturally. Your environment influences your experience. Make it a positive one. The purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. The mystery of human existence lies not in just staying alive, but in finding something to live for. Remove negativity and bitterness from your heart to see the light and open your heart to positivity and start healing today. Happiness is the way I walk, and it depends upon ourselves. Don't think about darkness in people's mind around you. Let your smile's brightness level remove them. Joy is a natural phenomena. We have to enjoy it. And misery is our own creation. An eagle uses the negative energy of a storm to fly even higher. So trust the vibes you get. Energy doesn't lie. A meaningful life is not being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It's about being real, being humble, being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. You attract the energy that you give off. Spread good vibes, think positively, enjoy life. Don't get trapped in psychological process by giving importance to wrong set of people. What's happening in our mind is paramount rather than what's happening in the outer world. We have to practice traffic control of mind. Why to create art of mastering negative thoughts? An attitude of positive expectation is the mark of superior personality. Those who fly solo have the strongest wings. Being surrounded by the wrong people is the loneliest thing in the world. And in the end, all I have learned was how to be strong alone. Being alone has a power that very few people can handle. I was smiling yesterday. I'm smiling today. I will smile tomorrow. It's simple. Life is too short to cry for anything that's worthless.